In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle.
Today we will talk about rainforest.
Okay, here's my house, and in my house have a rainforest.
Okay. There is a lot of rain in the rainforest, and all of that rain comes into some holes, and there are tubes
Take it.
connected to the holes, and then all of the water comes into a hole, comes into the tubes, and then it comes into a hole.
To the pool.
Okay, and then in the pool it has two tubes,
Together.
two and the pool is gathered all the water, and when it gathered a lot of water, it's having many doors that they open and they get out water, and there's a water. Here is one door that is there, and there under the rock you have another door, sorry. And yeah, I think that's now the door was opened. Okay. And it is really hot. But and when it's hot, it's the water can they open the door. They open the door to the water because when it's hot, they're planning with water. They might open the door to the water.
זהו.
מה, מחקת? Okay. There are many habitats in the rainforest. There is more than 10 habitats in the rainforest. Like that one right there. Wait, we still didn't find it. Oh, it's there. Okay, this is a bird's habitat. And there are many other animals that have habitats in a tree, under the ground, and there are many animals in here, like monkeys, fishes, birds, crocodiles,
And a lot more.
טוב.
Okay, there how you can see a lot of plants. That plants are really good for animals because when animals live in the rainforest, and when have plants, it can make oxygen, and that oxygen of the trees or plants, it gives to the animals that live, like a lot of animals, like it just said, monkey.
the end. Ta-da!